that it's perfect.
What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, Welsh graffiti artist, and welcome to a new video in the new year. This was actually filmed in 2021. Today I am in Merthyr Tydfil painting this lovely little outhouse area, and it's got a lovely wood burner in the corner, and we're just gonna pump this mother around. We are going to be painting portraits up on the wall. We've got Bob Marley, we've got Khalifa and Snoop Dogg, and a couple of other little bits here and there. So yeah, let me talk you through it. So we've got a logos going on this wall here, then the back wall and Snoop Dogg and Bob Marley is going on, and then we are going to be putting Khalifa just up on this little section here. So that is the challenge of the day. We have 3 portraits, a load of logos, and we've got 1 day to do it. It's a very late start to this one because we've had a load of in about to do, but let's try and see if we can get this done in 1 day. If not, there might be a part 2 to this one. First thing I need to do is drop a load of doodle grids on the wall, take pictures. You know the process. If you don't, there's a link to a doodle grid video there that I did before, explaining what actually goes on, or you can just YouTube it. Let's get the doodle grids up and get the outlines done. That's the first thing. Let's go. Let's just get started. Hello there, it is T2 Sugar's voice over here, and Happy New Year to everyone. It is 2022, and what a wild adventure we have had in 2021. I'd like to thank everyone that has ever watched any of my videos, liked, subscribed, commented, done all of that good stuff. Without you guys doing that for me, I would not be doing this as a full-time job today. And yes, this is a full-time job. I am a full-time graffiti artist, mural artist, street artist, whatever you want to call it, but I do this full-time. And I've had so many wonderful commissions this year, and I'd like to thank everyone that has ever asked me to do any work for them. It has been such a pleasure to do all of these paintings. But 2021 wasn't plain sailing. I had so many challenges, and I moved houses, my wife has gone back to work, and I've had to juggle kids and a full-time job. And I'm hoping now in 2022 that this inspires others like myself so that they can take on all of these challenges, do something that they love as a full-time job. So I'm hoping that I can then inspire artists, designers, entrepreneurs to take their talents and turn that into a full-time job. It is crazy to think that I've done that, and I now do something I absolutely love and doing it every single day of the week. I'm hoping that I am an inspiration to you guys, that you can do this as a full-time job. But anyway, I'm coming back to do day 2 now at this one and finish off with Khalifa, and I'm hoping you guys are enjoying this video.
Right then, day 2. Let's have a look-see.
Oh, yes, it's looking pretty good. We got Khalifa next.
Oh, flip me. That was easy.
So what does 2022 have in store for myself? I have some massive collaborations lined up, loads and loads of commissions, and some talks with loads of artists from all over the world. And I'm going to be challenging myself to push myself out of my comfort zone and do some different things that I've never done before. And I'm hoping that then inspires you guys to do the same, but come along for the adventure, and we'll see what crazy things we can get up to. Oh, so we're doing some finer details. The little pink stencil cap is really precise, and it is awesome for little hairs in the eyebrows, eyelashes, and little reflections in the eyes. And these little things make your paintings pop that extra bit. Just giving you a little look-see into how we do smoke. So what you do is you get transparent black, and you just angle the can slightly left or right, and then what you want to do is you just want to spray in like a kind of a smoke motion. So it's all you're doing is adding a little line here or there, and then you can start building up the smoke. And then we'll go in with a white transparent, where we've got the pinpoint of where the smoke is coming from, which is on the end of Snoop Dogg's cigarette, we should say. We're then gonna have the smoke then. I'm gonna start up top and then work my way back down to where the smoke is actually coming from. So angling the can away, so it's like creating like an angle, and you just wanna and then go back, angle the opposite way. This nice smoke effect. And yeah, if you guys stay to the end and learned that little trick or tip, if you didn't know how to do it before, make sure you like and subscribe, and I see you guys on the next one. Peace.